You know what this is? Powerful plant remedy for cough, bronchitis, and asthma. I want to make today together a mullein tincture. Mullein tea would be a great alternative if you are right now fighting with cough, bronchitis, asthma, cold. Mullein is a plant primarily recognized for its benefits for supporting respiratory health, sinus infection, and everything what's still going around at this time of the year. Mullein is acting as an expectorant, so in other words, it's losing your mucus so you can cough it and spit it out, which is very important, because if you